Hello guys, welcome back to 11 Fit TV. My name is Wallace Conrad. Thanks for joining me once again. Blessing to you, blessing to your family. Okay, so today we're going to do a different version of the push-up exercise. Remember, as I said, if you want to use that push-up exercise for hypertrophy, right? If you want to get stronger, change the variation of those push-ups, okay? So the version that I'm going to show you now, it will bring the back into focus, okay, along with the push-up exercise. So we're not only doing the push, but we're bringing the back, the upper back, the middle back, and the lower back into the exercise. And you're going to really feel the effectiveness of this. So we're coupling that with the first step, making sure that the basic push-up is done properly. Remember, we're doing that release, and then we're squeezing as we come up. But now we're going to add something else. Check this out. Okay, so we're going down, but not only are we doing the release this time, okay? So we go down, we're doing the release, but we're also bringing that arm up and out and lifting that leg, okay? Down, in, coming back here, we're going back up, okay? So right then and there, we're bringing the back into focus as well as doing that push, okay? So remember, we're going down, we're releasing, up, out, and come back in. Coming back in, remember that squeeze. We're squeezing everything in. Really squeeze it in, guys. And we extend out, and we're going back down, okay? Up, out, lift, in, okay? Let's do 5 of these. So squeeze in, really feel it. Down, up, out, lift. Come back, and for the second, squeeze. This is no rush, guys. Nice and controlled. Up, squeeze, in. Up. Squeeze. Squeeze. Nice. Squeeze everything in. Release. Up. Squeeze. Nice. Release. Out. Up. In. Squeeze everything in. Nicely done. Nicely done, guys. So that there and there is another part that you're going to add to your variation of your push-up to make it much more effective, much more difficult, but that is what we want. We remove all of the momentum. We're using those chest muscles. Now we're incorporating upper, middle, lower back to give you a more complete exercise. Let me know what you think. Remember to subscribe. Remember to leave a like on the video. Until next time, my name is Wallace Conrad. Stay safe, be healthy. See you again soon.